This is NAVITEL T787 4G, and today I will demonstrate that you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. So firstly, you will need to go for Settings, onwards enter the Internet or Network and Internet category. In here, tap at the Wi-Fi section. Then tap at the network you would like to reveal the password for. At the network details page, go for the share option. And in here, at the following share Wi-Fi page, you can see that the Wi-Fi password gets revealed. Here it is. As well as you are provided with the very handy and convenient QR code that can be further scanned by any other device. This one, let's say, and the aforementioned device, should it be, well, phone, tablet, will be automatically connected to the chosen Wi-Fi network. Alrighty, so that will be it for today. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.